Welcome to this stunning new construction at 4730 16th Street North in Arlington, Virginia, in the desirable Waycroft-Woodland neighborhood of Arlington, Virginia. This beautiful home, designed and built by Classic Cottages, features 4 spacious bedrooms, 4.5 luxurious bathrooms, and modern amenities throughout the entire house. It is listed by Janet Million from Urban Living Real Estate. This property offers the perfect blend of elegance and comfort for today's discerning buyers. Priced at $2,124,000, this home is a rare opportunity to own a piece of prime real estate in one of the most sought after neighborhoods in Arlington. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. The house has 3,700 square feet of brand new construction. And as soon as you come in, first impression is tons of light, high, tall ceilings, and very, very timeless elegance. All right, so through the dining room, we walk through a butler's pantry, tons of storage, and then you open up to this gorgeous kitchen. High-end thermador appliances, microwave, dishwasher, and column refrigerators. And from the kitchen, it opens up to a gorgeous family room. That opens up to a super nice deck for those summer days when you want to grill outside and have your family and your dog play outside. Oh, it's not a column refrigerator, it's a French door refrigerator. So coming back to the entrance of the house, you are gonna have your mudroom and the only powder room, which is in the main level, ideally for entertaining for your guests. And then you have a very ample 1-car garage with your 2 electric panels. I believe that those are 200 amps each. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about living in Arlington neighborhoods. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video. And by the way, if you are relocating from out of state into Northern Virginia or inside of Northern Virginia, make sure to give us a call, send us a text message. If you have questions, we have answers. So let's go to the second level and explore the bedrooms. On the top floor, we're gonna have the bedrooms. We're gonna start by the secondary bedrooms. Each bedroom has a full closet and of course a full bathroom. This will be in bedroom number 1. And again, as expected from Classic Cottages, the attention to detail. And this is very typical from their designs, the huge windows in the front of the house. This will be bedroom number 2. Again, it has its own closet. and a full bathroom. And without further ado, let's go into the primary bedroom. Oh, before we go there, you're gonna have a linen closet and your laundry room. And then before we fully explore the bedroom, let's go into the walk-in closet. It's huge. This is perfectly, you can share with your significant other. And then you have your gorgeous primary bedroom. And from the primary bedroom, we are going to have a primary bathroom. His and her sinks, soaking tub, and a huge shower. If you want a private tour of this house or any other house in Northern Virginia or Maryland, please make sure to text me the word tour and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and show you around. I would love to hear what you have to say about this house, so go in the comment section and let me know. And let's go to the basement. So in the basement, you're gonna have your exercise room or your fitness room, which is already has a rubber floor, which is very solid and very sturdy. Huge storage room here. And you have a wet bar with a wine fridge and more storage underneath the staircase. We'll come back to the mechanical room. And this could be a theater room, music room, and off of this big room, you're gonna have a full bathroom, which would be bathroom number 3. And a full bedroom with access to the outside and closet. And before we go to the outside, let's take a quick look at the mechanical room. You have your furnace, your water heater, and the different sump pumps. Good space for storage too, and you have your network closet. All right, let's go now to the backyard. In the backyard, you have plenty of green space outside for the kids to play and the dog. And you have this super nice deck. Good space for sitting and grilling and summer fun time. Thank you very much for touring this house with us today. We post videos every week, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so that you're informed the next time we drop a video. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel Living in Arlington Today. We'll see you next week.